Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize digital marketing with Constant Contact, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize your digital marketing with Constant Contact, begin by creating an account on their website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the available tools and features. Start by importing your contact list into Constant Contact. Ensure your list is clean and organized for better targeting. Create engaging email campaigns by selecting a template that aligns with your brand. Customize your email content to be informative and visually appealing. Incorporate clear calls to action, encouraging your audience to engage. Utilize the social media integration feature to expand your reach. Analyze your audience's demographics and preferences for more tailored campaigns. Set up automated email sequences to nurture leads over time. Monitor your campaign performance using the built-in analytics tools. Pay attention to open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. A/B test different email variations to see what resonates most with your audience. Adjust your strategies based on the insights you gather from these tests. Consider segmenting your contact lists for targeted messaging. Use Constant Contact's landing page creation feature for focused promotions. Ensure your landing pages have clear, actionable goals. Incorporate mobile optimization to reach users on all devices. Leverage Constant Contact's event management tools if you host webinars or events. Promote these events through your email campaigns for greater attendance. Engage with your audience by encouraging feedback and interaction. Utilize surveys to gather insights on customer preferences and experiences. Regularly update your email list to remove inactive contacts. Integrate your other marketing channels, like social media and websites, for cohesive messaging. Continuously assess and refine your strategies based on performance metrics. Stay informed about the latest digital marketing trends and Constant Contact updates. Experiment with new features and tools to enhance your campaigns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.